All right, I don't know if you can hear.
We all got a warning. Tornado
You can hear the rolling of the thunder
The dark weather pattern's definitely
coming out. It's constant
Lots of lightning.
thunder. I hope that's not the sound of a pre-tornado just rolling up there, but I don't think so. I think it's just lots and lots and lots of thunder. And here comes the rain. Big, huge, fat drops. Cool sound though, provided it doesn't result in a damn tornado landing on me. That would ruin my year probably. So here's hoping.